So hello friends, now came with another question that is also asks for freshers. Okay, so freshers as well as experience also. Sometime I also get this question from interviewers to make it, but mostly they will ask for the freshers, and I will show you how it is working. Okay, I am putting debugger here, and we'll run it and we'll check it's working. Yeah, fine. So I will show you how it is working. Okay. So in a starting point. So here while loop is started and come to the num. Num checking, num is greater than 0. So it will return true. Now it will go to the next step and do the process. So how do the process? You can see that what happening. Okay. So it's checking value and the value divided by 10, and after that whatever value is coming in digit here, that value is doing cube. Cube means Armstrong number means the cube of the numbers and addition of the total numbers is equal to the original number. Means cube of the sum of the cube of all numbers is equal to the original number, that will call Armstrong. Suppose 153, cube of 153 is equal to 153 only, so that is the Armstrong number. So that's why we are checking here. Okay, we'll see. So how it is happening and how it is calculating. So you can see here one cube. What is this? One only. Okay, like that it's running. I'll show you one another example also. See, it's printed 153 and it's checking 153 is equal to the sum 153. Yes, it is the true. Yes, it is Armstrong. Okay, I will check with another number, that is something 768, and we'll check. See what happening. See here. Okay, now here came 8 cube is how much? See, 8 cube is 5 1 2. 8 cube means 8 into 8. 8 into 8. See, how much? 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 8, how much? So it's 512. Okay, and they will add the next 6 into 6, 36 into 6. So like that they are adding the value and calculating and checking the it is equal to the original number. Then if it is equal to the original number, then it will print yes, otherwise no. Okay, so we can see here sum how much came 1071. So temporary number, what is that? Temporary number is 768, and whatever we give, what is the number we get, that is 1071. So it's not equal to, so it will false and it will return no Armstrong. So now you can see that how it is working. Okay, 153 again. I'm running with 153. If you are new, you see again and again, run it and check it. Then we'll get to know how it is happening. Okay. So it is getting printed. Okay. Thank you for watching.